What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to automate dark mode based on time on your iPhone. First, tap on the Settings app. Inside Settings, scroll down and look for the option that says Display and Brightness. In the Display and Brightness menu, you'll see an option called Appearance with two choices, Light and Dark. Tap on the Automatic switch to enable automatic switching between light and dark modes. Once you've turned on Automatic, a few options will appear just below it, called Options. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, you have two choices, Sunset to Sunrise or Custom Schedule. If you choose Sunset to Sunrise, dark mode will automatically turn on at sunset and switch back to light mode at sunrise. But since we want to create a custom schedule, tap on Custom Schedule to continue. Once inside the custom schedule, you'll need to set specific times for when light mode and dark mode should be active. Start by choosing the time for light mode. This will be the time when your iPhone stays in light mode during the day. For example, let's say you want your iPhone to stay in light mode from 6 AM to 8 PM. Set 6 AM as the time for light mode. Next, choose the time for dark mode. In this case, let's set it to 8 PM. This means between 8 PM and 6 AM, your iPhone will automatically switch to dark mode. So now, your iPhone will stay in light mode from 6 AM to 8 PM and switch to dark mode from 8 PM to 6 AM. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.